You know, there are a lot of auto dealerships around trying to either copy Sunset or trying to discredit them. Good luck with that. For example, take Sunset's oil changes for life. First, they said it was some kind of marketing ploy. Ooh. Then they did their own version, but limited it to just a couple of oil changes a year, and then only good on new vehicles. But Sunset gives you up to 5 oil changes a year for all qualifying new and used vehicles. Back to the drawing board, guys. Wait till they get a load of this. Sunset's new 48-hour no-questions-asked used vehicle exchange policy is pretty much just that. If you get a used vehicle from any Sunset Auto Family dealership, and after driving it for a couple of days, you decide it's not quite the right vehicle for you and the family, simply return it and pick out something else. It's just that simple. Go to sunsetautofamily.com for all the details. You just get more at Sunset, like a 48-hour exchange policy. And people do like that.